So today we'll be working on the Gradle tool, which is a tool used for building stuff. For example, oh, is it a? It feels like I found a bug in Chrome. Okay, so yeah, that's better. Oh, that's interesting. So let me actually share the screen and so this is the pack of building exercises which you can get from Gradle if you attend their course. I'll put a link here. I'll put a link in the chat here. So that's Gradle build tool training exercises. It's not too many of them, to be honest. And if you want to learn more about the tool, which is quite a good tool, it's this one. So Gradle, called Gradle sessions. I think no. Gradle, Gradle. Because basically the thing is that they have those quite training. So yes, so basically you can go to Gradle guides and register for trainings. Quite a nice stuff actually. It's fun. So today, so you can register, for example, for build tool training, and then in intro. Why it's important is because if you go to if you go to, let's say, CW jobs, where you can search for jobs, obviously, if you type in Gradle, only 3 jobs mentioned, but actually any job which mentions Java will be using either Gradle or Maven. And well, if you know Gradle, Maven will come easier. Trust me. So what do we do now? So I took this tool, build training exercises, and I have cloned it. So the idea is that, so yeah, there's a pack of trainings actually in one, and we'll go through intro because I was just too lazy to do it on my own. So that's why I'm doing it with the camera on. Okay, so now do I have IntelliJ started? Indeed I do. Okay, so that's IntelliJ. We'll close everything. We'll go here. So that's our intro to Gradle build tool. So obviously I inputted the project and everything. You might notice that it's settings Gradle KTS. So Kotlin script is being used. So now let's see exercise 1, which actually I think I did. So I think I did it. So what I can do, I can undo the local changes, maybe. That's all from exercise 1, so I can just delete them. I think, yeah, how do I delete this stuff? IntelliJ, so yeah, that's okay. That's, yeah, stuff. So now, if you go to the README of the intro, because actually there's a lot of other interesting topics, so I think next one will be advanced dependency management. And that will be more interesting one because for the intro, I've attended the session we had last Tuesday. But for this one, for advanced dependency management, I didn't. I didn't attend the session, so it will be more interesting. So let's see. Oh, Akshay, yeah, Akshay is amazing. So he actually gave this session. So let's see now. Pum, pum, pum. So that's the first thing. That's the first exercise one. We can see it actually from here. Yeah. So IntelliJ, you can just click this button, which will show all the pictures and stuff. So if you go here, and I think it's Alt12 will give us console because we will need the console. So prerequisites we have met. So that's basically the exercise for the first one. So we've met the prerequisites, and now we need to initialize. Okay, so okay. Oh, does a less work there? That's interesting. I didn't expect it. So we're on Windows. Oh, actually, it's here, right? Exercise one. We want to go to exercise one. Okay, and they want us to make a directory called lab, but it's already there actually. So we can just use this one. So this is the exercise, not the solution. I think. Oh. So this folder was not expected to exist actually, right? So what we can do, where am I? We can go back. Oh, because you see, the problem is that I've done this exercise before, obviously. And so we'll just delete module lab, or folder lab, whatever. If IntelliJ behaves, I want to delete. Yes, thank you very much, IntelliJ. mkdir, because we are on Windows. Okay, now, yeah, IntelliJ picked up the folder. Now what we are doing, we are going to the Gradle init command because we have Gradle installed. Let's see. I think it's Gradle 8, which I have on my system. But you never, well, I shouldn't say you never know. It was me who installed it, right? So it's Gradle 8. Okay. So now it will be Gradle init. Now, the type of project we want to generate. So basically, Gradle init is a command which comes with the Gradle build tool, which allows you to quickly create a project. So we've chosen application. We are choosing Java. We don't want to split functionality. We want to use Kotlin. And use new APIs. We don't want. We don't want. Well, it doesn't really matter. JU inhibitor. we'll use default, so we can just hit enter, and the source package will become Gradle lab. Okay. Sorry, I guess it's allergy, not COVID. Yeah, I shouldn't make jokes about COVID. It's not appropriate. I'm sorry about it. My relatives lost somebody close because of COVID, so very inappropriate joke, if it was a joke. But yeah, so I want to add the files to Git. Oh, because of my face being there, you don't see some of the stuff, so I will move maybe. Oh no. Okay, so I want to. Okay, so I want to move my own video somehow, but the problem is that I don't know how to do it, because basically it blocks some of the stuff. What I will do, I can just switch off the video maybe, or I can find a way to maybe I can find a way to move it somehow. No, not nice. You know what? I'm not that important. I'll just switch off video, because in IntelliJ I want you to see the stuff. Okay. Oh, it won't help, right? You'll see this thing. That's interesting. Well, I can. I know. Currently there are no comments, so can I move it? So next time I'll probably be just streaming from OBS, because that's not exactly what I want this thing to look like. But anyway, so now we have this thing built here. If you go to labs now, you can see that lab app got created. Actually, I thought it will be com lab app. Yeah, com Gradle lab. That's us. So this one can be marked as a source. Okay, which will make this a class. And this one is obviously can be marked as a test sources. So now we have this stuff and we have this stuff. We can even run it, right? Oh, that's interesting. Why is it taking so long? Let's follow the instructions further. So, so that we did. So that's exercise 1. I think there are like 4 of them. So we've seen the functionality across multiple sub-projects. Done. So that stuff. So we have all the files, including Gradle wrapper, right? Now, if we open settings Gradle KTS, which is this one. So obviously I already inputted the whole project. So this one just says that Sorry, that's the root project, and that includes this directory. Oh, includes this as a project. I'm not really sure. Do we have explanation for this thing? Okay. I'm loading script configurations. Interesting. Builds a model. Takes time. Yeah, so what it's doing now, because I initialized the project with Gradle 8, it must have created a directory here. Yeah, this one, Gradle, and it has Gradle wrapper properties. And this dictates which version to use and where to download it from, which is extremely useful in a distributed team, because even when people sit together, but especially in distributed team, because this way, when you open IntelliJ, because it will see this file here. Oh, now it says there's a connection issue. Oh, the connection issue because it picked up the wrong network. I'm very sorry about that. Something is probably wrong with my Wi-Fi. And I hope it will finally finish downloading the Gradle. But this way, when you open the project with IntelliJ, it will see this file Gradle wrapper properties, and it will download the correct version of Gradle automatically, and you won't even notice it. I mean, you won't have to think, oh, which version should work with such or such, which is very useful because you can have multiple versions of Gradle running. Multiple projects with different versions of Gradle and so on. Now, let's see, what can we do? Launch IntelliJ and open the settings Gradle KTS file as a project. Setting Gradle KTS as a project file. Would you like to open the project? Open as file, console, blah, blah, blah. That's already done. Okay, so build Gradle KTS. Where is it? Okay. Oh, it will be up. It will be here. So it's build Gradle, build Groovy, I think. So basically, currently we are building with Kotlin, not with Groovy. So I think it's just build Gradle with Groovy. Please, this IntelliJ, this one is too big. So now, if they say that now we can see stuff when we click over. Well, it actually works. So actually, the first thing I want to check was this include one. Oh, now it works because the project has been fully inputted, I would assume. And yeah, now it recognizes the whole project as a Gradle project. That's why on the right you have the stuff. So so this one so basically that's the root place of the project. But if you want the project itself to be included, you need to include them here. So otherwise, I think otherwise maybe it will just look in there for build Gradle in this folder in lab, but it's not there. So it looked for settings, and settings that dictate where to look further. So yeah, that's logical. You don't want Gradle to check every single folder for a build file. Now, hover over the main central that we did. Help tooltip that we did. src main Java app test app test. That's interesting. I think this one will synchronize the project with IntelliJ, because I think what's happening now for this project is that that it's not synchronized with the settings of IntelliJ. That's why it's not aware of classes and methods. So currently it says it builds Gradle model. Oh, still no luck? No, it works. It works. Good stuff. So now IntelliJ recognizes it as a proper citizen. So we can just run the test. Instantiating tests. Test is successful. Good stuff. Well done, us. Thank you for coming and watching the stream. Stream recording currently there is 0, but basically the idea is that whatever I learn, I will be doing it openly. Be it Gradle or test containers or new version of Java or coding for fun, solving exercises. I will just do it. Now, notice sample sources and tests have been created. That's okay. That's okay. That's we've seen already. You can see. You can see this stuff. Yeah. Oh, this is actually good because now we have Gradle wrapper, right? So now we can do this. You can see this one. That's executable file. So that's for shell, for Unix-like systems. And this is for... so this allows us to check. You can see that it will show us the same version of Gradle as the one showed you, Gradle 8. Same as local, because I have initiated the project with local one. Now we can do this. This, and we can, yeah, obviously the slash is that symbol. This one here is a different direction because it's a Windows system. Okay, so it will show us the available tasks. It will be similar to this one. Okay, that's done. Okay. Yeah, you know what? I will switch off chat maybe for now because it takes too much space, and yeah, that's better. So that's done, and we can go to the exercise 2. And you can see the tasks, by the way, right? So all the tasks which are brought, the application tasks and others. So yeah, that's all coming from a Gradle W tasks -- all. We can go to the exercise 2 now. Oh, okay. I don't like it this way. What we will do instead, we'll go here and we'll go to this README file, this amazing README file. And here we'll go Control L, and we'll go way. This way, right? Yeah. I think yes. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now we can delete it. Now IntelliJ picked up for the change. Apparently, it's not checking the source on the drive every half a second. There's a small lag. Not like it's probably checking like every 3 seconds or so. Now exercise 2. Exercise 2. Let's see. Complete exercise 1. See available tasks so that we can see on the right. Okay, remember when we were doing this thing? Oh, they wanted us to, I think, to copy the lab, right? Let's see. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have deleted it then. Let's see. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have deleted this one. But what we can do, we can just take this lab and take it to exercise 2 and copy it, right? It's our lab, not something invented by somebody else. So now, open the Gradle toolbar on the right side of the ID and explore the tasks. Notice there are tasks under the top level tasks. Yeah, that's what we did. That we did. Good stuff. Terminal, we're already here. So they are suggesting that we should run this up run task, which is basically this one. Okay, so in the tasks list, this one we noticed. This one obviously we know. Okay, that's the file. So just prints out stuff. That's cool. Can I bring it here somehow? No. Okay, at least I can do it here. So, oh, that's how it works. So in build Gradle here, we set the application and we set the main class, which is this one. So we basically tell it what to run. And application is a plugin which adds this functionality. So because it's been declared that we use it, as the Gradle gets this plugin, it knows how to use it. So now we can do this. Okay. Gradle, but so up, basically the project up, and run is the command because this command has been added by application plugin. Okay. Yeah, yeah, there's a friend asking for help, but well, that's a different story. So now we did that. Oh, and we got hello world as the next result of this command, which is good. Now, this stuff. And to be honest, what we can do is probably, let me think. Yeah, that's fine. I can just because to be honest, I've opened everything as one project, but I should have opened just an alternative will be Topple. So just this success too, but that I really don't like this micromanagement thing. Okay, so that's source, that's test. We know what it is. Oh, sorry, that's actually wrong. This one is sources, and this one is tests. Okay, and GDK can be 17 for what I care. Okay, now why is it still not being picked up, this stuff? That means that the synchronization didn't work as we wanted it to. Let me think what we can do. We can actually open just this project as a separate project with settings Gradle KTS absolute path. Oh, what was the other option there? Okay, file, close project. One moment, open. this one. Now, if I go to, oh, not even this. I want this one. File, close project. This one. Now it will be more interesting. It's already more interesting. You can see how it's inputting lab Gradle project, because what I did, I inputted Git project, which has a number of directories, which have a number of the child directories, which are actually real projects. Okay, let me see. So now I would expect it to find, yeah, now it understands the test is test and up is up. Good stuff. Now this file was generated by the Gradle init task. Boring. But what is not boring is this. That's exercise 1. That's not any. Exercise 2. And yeah, so we are here. What was that? Yep. We have stuff here as well. Okay. That we did. Oh, that is interesting. So if you go to the verification in Gradle here, I don't know what actually this folder means, to be honest. Maybe it's configuration, I don't know. But the test is green. This is good. Open the Gradle plugin portal. Okay, that's external plugin. Why? Sorry for the noise. I need to use some oil for this chair. Oh, this is just test reports. That's... Oh, so they're telling that we have some reports in the app reports, right? Oh, really? Where? Here? Oh, indeed we do. We can just go here. Okay. So the test was a part of the build, of the build folder. Generate some output there. Now, why would I need to open this plugin thing? Okay, so there's plugins Gradle.com, which is interesting. This one. But why would they want us to check it? So, okay, so we can search for task 3 there. Task 3. Okay. And which one do they want us to use? Task info. It's this one. Plugin section of build Gradle KTS. Excuse me, it should be here, right? I think it should be like this. I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, there should be ID. So ID should be this thing with the brackets. Stuff. Brackets are matching now. And they want version 1.4.0, but I'm not sure. 2.10 will make 2.10. Good enough. So now if we do tasks other here, we might see that it will change. Okay. Interesting. Expecting something. T join. Oh, it's another in app tasks other app tasks other. Oh, here you are. That's interesting. Look at this beauty. Oh, no task specified. What about this one? Interesting. Oh, do not run the tasks yet. Yeah, it would be nice. So plugin has added the tasks, but we have not configured them, I guess. So now let's go back to the plugin page in the browser and click on the repository link near the top of the page. So here, we go here, and that's the plugin. Okay, and I think, yeah, here it explains that it's to be used like this. Okay, so the author has explained that we can actually use this plugin to output dependency trees. Sorry, I should have had more sleep, but I didn't. Gradle task info. And also it has tjson and stuff like this. So we can do it like this, I think. We'll see. tjson assembled didn't work as I executed, did it? Yeah, it didn't. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. This this should show tasks in the order how they will be executed, right? This one I still don't understand why it didn't work. No, I don't. Anyway, so that worked. Now, task with depends on test with message. So we need to do the verification task, to add the task to the verification group and call it test with message. So let's see. I guess it will be here, right? So it will be somewhere here. Tasks. Register. Okay. So we edit it. So I don't know how they will make it a part of verification group. How do you make tasks a part of a group? Like this? No. So so this one is easy, but this one, verification. To be honest, I think that's enough Gradle for today. It gets boring. I'll just go to the solution. It's just too boring. To try it. Oh, they have it on their website. Here. So this verification part is... Oh, so like that. Okay. Rope equals... Okay. Now... Message after test. Or is it another one? Oh, test with message. Description, I don't care. Like this. And last. And what now? Really? I don't see the test with message. Oh, yeah, of course, if I do it this way, maybe it will work actually. Yeah, so it worked. Okay. And then there's also finalized by. Oh, tasks named. So we do it this way here. So we take tasks named test. Okay. And here we should add finalized by. So they want to a similar task to be run when tests are done. So we just need a message. So we'll have this one, tasks, register, and message after test. Okay. Now it will be similar to other one. I'm not using depends on, I'm just using do last. Here I will use tests done again. Test by way. Okay. So here I will do finalized by message after test. Okay. So now here, if I add the test, let's see if it works. Yeah, you can see that you can register a task which you need, and then you can find the tasks in this tree, and then you can customize the existing tasks, and that's the real power of Gradle. Now let's see. That worked. That worked. Yeah, that's boring. But you can register task of type copy. Oh, and the solution will be, yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, this is interesting. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so that was it. So next time I will take a look into number 3. Which is this one. So oh, that's actually interesting because it's about dependencies, right? And also we can go over exercise 4, which will be this one, which is also interesting. Yeah. Okay, so see you next time, and thank you for joining. Somebody joined, but I'm already leaving. But yeah, so basically next time I'll watch your exercise 3. Sorry, I'll solve it, and we'll go from there. So thank you. Bye. Bye. Bye.